grape soda. What that look like? With some baking soda? All in the refrigerator with some peach soda. Coming out the check and we looking like God. All in the refrigerator. All in the refrigerator with some sangria. We don't coming up. My favorite game, right off out of dress. All in the refrigerator with some mayonnaise. Go to church. Didn't get it. Man, praise. All in the refrigerator with some olive oil. Put it on the time to go. All in the refrigerator with some butter. What else we got? Oh, all in the refrigerator with some cheese. Put them on these. All in the refrigerator with some onions. Oh, you got buns. Alright. All in the freezer with some pizza. All in the refrigerator with some ice packs. All in the refrigerator with some popsicles. All in the refrigerator. What else we got in here? Oh yeah. All in the refrigerator with some blue buns. All in the refrigerator with some more pizza. All in the refrigerator with some hamburgers. Burgers. All in the refrigerator with some fried rice. All in the refrigerator with some broccoli. All in the refrigerator with some corn on the cob. On the knob. Alright, that's it for the people. Peace.